Hey Siri, can you help me find a girlfriend?
Starting route to nearest therapist.
What, why?
To get you a reality check,
A reality check for what?
I have concluded that it would be impossible for you to obtain a girlfriend. It is because you are ugly. So ugly, the whole world faked the pandemic just to get you to put on a mask. You're so ugly, when your dad dropped you off at school, they arrested him for littering. You're so ugly, the government moved Halloween to your birthday. You're so ugly, you're the reason they turn off the lights at the movie theater. You're so ugly even Hello Kitty said goodbye to you. You're so ugly, when you go to the zoo, they have to shut it down, because they think there's a gorilla on the loose.